Video 999, the source code is up here, speedrun time, let's go. In the legal stuff section, we have this new section, we fucked up boss. All these things we typed here, the recommended solution is right down here, the proper identifiers. Okay, next section, in data by system, in the fadseek section, this was empty in the previous video, and now we have a lookup table that's kind of useless for tile size exponent 0. Room index converted to what the next row byte offset is for accessing FAT memory, right? It's all 2048 times 4. Okay, this is a typo, right? This should be FAD base if we want the actual valid identifier, a random miscellaneous monkey wrench macro. And then in hunk tetrad, this is a misspelling of this new function right here. This is a function that takes tetrad 1 and tetrad 2 and logs out only the difference between tetrad 1 and 2. So here's the shorthand reference, vector 1 and 2 from our hunk tetrads, hunk vector index, loop through every single hunk vector, get out the vector using this kind of poor man's reflection. We don't care about the fill style. And then if any of these different member variables of the hunk vector are different, we'll log them out, right? So every single member variable we're logging out except for the fill style. And that's it for that thing. So then down here in the hunk ring function section, we get into hunk ring unit test main. And in the catch these hands robot, this has been changed from an error to a log because we need the engine working for a little bit until we get back into this unit test. Right here is where we're logging out the difference between the tetrad calculated with the function versus the tetrad calculated by hand with our unit tests. Down here in all seek section, we have function all seek unit test main, which was using the wrong identifiers here. So in video 999, we have fixed the bug we created in video 991. And then we have some footnotes here and whatnot. I have to write this later. My name is Kanji Code. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It is a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. This is the old game, and we're going to rewrite that old game and make a new engine for it. And this is a screenshot from the new engine where we plan on remaking this game. My name is Kanji Code. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.